I was saying before, German women, when they born 3 children, 4 children, 4 fathers. Last, una go tell German people say una don't know the father, but una they get belle every time. Who can they give una belle? Oh, una think say they be mumu, they don't get sense. If person they cheat you all the time, you know go cash am one day. I don't wear ikuga book mere umore a big guy. Arwa ori bere ologu wa sogbe. Ologu wa sogbe itu as in una to do. You get husband for the same country when you they tell German people say you not get husband. Your baby father still dey this country. You they tell they say not dey. You just they extort money from German. They be claim single mother when your father, biological father of those children, they did the country. And now think say so I will do this thing forever. German people not go know. Not be we spoiler, not be we when they carry the news, call they tell on us. So not be we they make that they know. They already knows. You think they don't get sense. You born first speaking. You say papa not day. You go lie to German. You born second one, you say papa not day. You think say these children when they born for that hospital, they don't they control their test if they be really the same father or not. You think they are not testing those children tests as if they are not doing the blood test to know if the one you had before and this one you had, if they are the same blood. You think they are dumb. They not be African. Germans, they detect things more than anything. Europeans. Oh, you go whiteys. They can detect. They're there always. You born first speaking, papa not there. All of una when they drive on a baby father up and down. So when we say their baby, una baby father will say, I want to see come take responsibility. And I will say, you want to become a single mother. You want to be carrying 1,005, 1,007 with 4 children every month. Clap for yourself. Germans are coming for you. You better reset your brain. Huh? You see that brain when you take drive your baby father up and down. You know what make it stay with you. Correct. You see you that brother. When they knock your wife every month, 6 months, make she dey born for you. You say you not go work. You say you not consign you. Jamie can take the responsibility. Don't worry. By the time now they need help for Facebook, say they have collected my children. My brother, we go see they come analyze on our case because some of you will be insulting, saying mind your business, mind your business. Is it your children? They are not my children. Although I love children, and the children when they collect from una, now they pay me because last. I don't go gain anything. Now only pain I go get. Say they collect my children. I pray me they don't collect my children. When I use my brain, when I use this money small. Me not see